In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to easily download and install Canon iP2770 printer driver in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you need to navigate at the bottom search bar, type for Chrome. Once you've typed that, kindly wait until a best match would appear in this window. And once it's here, please double tap to continue. In a few moments, you would be redirected to the Google Chrome browser. All you need to do is you need to wait until a search bar would be available at the center before we continue. Once it's here, please type for Canon space IP2770 driver. Once done typing, hit the enter key so that you would be redirected to the result. So please select any of this result. Anyway, they have a similar option, then that's good to go. Okay, so select it. And once you have selected it, make sure that you have selected the Windows. Actually, click on this download, and in a few moments, it will now start on the downloading of this file. So, or driver, all you need to do is you need to navigate at the upper right side of the screen. You can see their download. Click on it to check the download progress. So kindly wait until this would be finished before we continue to the installation. Okay, so once done, all you need to do is you need to click on this folder icon to show it into the location where it is being placed to or saved to. So from here, please make a right click and you need to click on this cat icon. Once done, close the window as well as this one, and from the desktop, make a right click and go with paste. So once you have pasted the printer driver, you need to extract it by double tapping or by simply making a right click here and use the WinRAR tool to extract the file. So click on it and go with extract to. So in a few moments it would be extracted. Kindly wait until this would be done. Once a new folder has been created, meaning we have successfully extracted it, then we can now start on the installation. So by that, please navigate at the start icon, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. Now you can also press Windows key and I key together, and in that way you would be able to bring up the settings window. Okay, so here please navigate to the left side. You can see there are Bluetooth and devices. Tap on it and scroll down and go with printers and scanners, and eventually you can see this kind of window. Please select with add device and kindly wait until you can see an option where you can manually install your printer driver, and once it's here, click on add manually and kindly wait again until a new window would appear where you can manually add a printer driver. Once it's here, please choose the fifth option, which is add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click on next. Click on this down arrow key and use among of this three USB port as your printer port. Click on next and go with have disk and on browse. And since our extracted file has been placed at the desktop, then we need to navigate to the desktop. Scroll down here, double tap to it, double tap once again, and go with the driver, double tap and select any of this driver. So click on open, click on OK, and eventually it would be added here. Click on next, okay, and you can rename that into 2770 and click on next. Once done, it will now start on the installation. So kindly wait until the installation process will be finished. Once you're good, you can allow for printer sharing by turning this on, or you can make it private by clicking the other on. So go with next and click on finished, and there you have that you would be able to install the Canon iP2770 printer series in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So close the window and you're good to go. Now if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day everyone.